Hello everyone, I have an interesting video for you today and some more later today. I'm going to show you the church bells of Grunheide on Easter Sunday. Tesla is building its Giga Berlin factory, Tesla's first European Gigafactory on the European continent, outside of Berlin in a small town called Grunheide. And on this channel at Torque News, we have had lots of reports on that. But we don't know much about Grunheide. And today I'm not going to tell much about Grunheide. Maybe that can be a report for another day. But yesterday, one of my local friends, Albrecht, whose Twitter link I will also put and leave in the description of this video, shared almost 2-minute, very interesting video where you can see a panoramic view of Grunheide and hear how the church bells of Grunheide sound on Easter Sunday morning. You know that yesterday, Sunday, was Easter, which many Christians around the world like me celebrate the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. And it's a joyous day. It's the biggest feast in Christian faith. And I had never knew that Grunheide has such beautiful churches, or maybe it's only one church. But thanks to Albert, we have the sound of bells. It's really beautiful. It's really calling. It's really relaxing. And I'm very happy that, Tesla is building its Giga Berlin factory in such a beautiful, nice, and spiritually uplifting place. So let's take a moment and listen church bells in Grunheide on Easter morning. In the meantime, this is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel because later today I'm going to bring a new drone video from over the Tesla. Until now it was forbidden to fly over the Tesla. You could only fly around the Tesla at a certain distance. But now there is permission for some people to fly over the Tesla, and my local friends have sent me some videos and allowed me to share it with you. So subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell. And please like this video to show your appreciation of Albrecht's work. And let's listen to the church sounds from Grunheide, where Tesla is building its Giga Berlin.